Hi, it's Ryan from PressPrimer. In this video, I'm excited to show you what's available in the first release of PressPrimer Certificate. With this new plugin, you can design professional certificates, connect them to user activity on your website, and start awarding credentials to students in minutes. It's free on WordPress.org and can replace native LMS certificate tools with a solution that's more powerful and efficient. It all starts with certificate templates. I'll just click Add New here, and you can see the 6 templates available in both letter and A4 sizes. If you want to use your own certificate background, just click Start Blank. I'll use the formal landscape template for the demo. On the left side of the page, you'll see all of the elements that you can include in the certificate. Don't worry, there are design defaults in the settings, and you can clone templates, so you don't have to add a signature, logo, your brand colors, and other design elements each time you create a new certificate. In the middle of the page is the Certificate Designer. It's completely interactive, and what you see here is exactly what gets output in the certificate PDF file. If you click an element and drag it around, you can see how it snaps to key places to make aligning everything easier. You can use any dynamic fields you want. Right now we're showing a preview with data samples, but if you click the token switch here, it shows you what values are used. Notice the QR code that's added to every certificate. Whenever it's scanned, it takes someone to a page in the front end that checks the validity of the certificate and shows details about it. On the right side of the page are the design and award panels. If I click elements in the Certificate Designer, you'll see how it allows you to customize each element. The advanced controls make it really easy to achieve the exact output that you need for your program. In the Award tab, you can link the certificate to WordPress activity. Suppose I wanted to award a certificate when someone completes a LearnDash lesson. I can choose LearnDash as the integration, then the lesson trigger, and then the actual lesson that I want to link it to. Now, whenever someone completes the lesson, they earn their certificate. A copy will be sent by email, and it also shows up in the user's certificate list. I can also set expiration behavior here, so maybe the certificate expires 1 year after it was earned. Now that I've linked the template to a lesson, I can go back to the Merge Field element, which is how we add dynamic records to the certificate, and incorporate details about the linked lesson. So if I wanted to include the lesson name on the certificate, I can choose it here and move the element to wherever I want it to go. Let's go ahead and publish the certificate and then preview it. This is the actual PDF, and you can see how it exactly matches what we designed in the builder. When certificates are earned, they'll show up in this list. You can also issue certificates manually from here. So if I click this Issue Certificate button, choose the template we just created, myself as the user, and issue it, it will show up in the list. When I hover over certificates, you'll see that the admins can reissue the certificate email, download a copy, get the link to validate it on the front end, and even revoke it. Over in the settings, there are lots of design defaults you can set for new templates. You also have full control over emails that go out to students when they earn certificates. In the front end, this is how students see their list of certificates. This example is just using a default theme with no styling, but it gives you an idea of what's available out of the box. That covers the basics of PressPrimer Certificate. We'll have new releases with additional features soon, so make sure to follow us on PressPrimer.com.